So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to the link, which will be down below in the description, or you could just go to any web browser and then type in PIXMA MX922 driver. Then you're going to go to this website, Canon support for PIXMA MX922. And then once you're on this, we're going to scroll down. We're going to expand software and drivers. Now you're going to scroll down again, and you're going to select your operating system. For me, it's going to be Windows, and you want to select your OS version. So for me, I'm on Windows 11. If you're using Windows 10 or below, to know which one that you need, you're going to head over to search and type in system information, click on it, and the next system type is going to be telling you. So if it says x64 for you, then you want to get x64. If it says x32 or x86, you want to get the other one. So for me, since I'm on Windows 11, there's only x64, so I'm going with this one. And then once you're on this, we're going to scroll down, and where it says download type, you're going to select drivers. Now we're going to scroll down again. We're going to begin this one, MX920 series printer driver. You can come back later after you complete the video and you download the driver to get these other ones as well if you want to. You can read the details for that. But for this video, we're just going to be getting the driver right here. So now you're going to click on download. It's now going to start downloading. And then once that's been downloaded, we're now going to click on it. And then click on yes. Wait for this to load. In my case, I'm using a virtual machine, so I cannot continue with this download. But in your case, you just want to continue with the download. It's very self-explanatory, very easy. Then you can download it, and then that's how you do it.